Alright, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me today. Arsenal versus Olympiacos. So Arsenal have drawn Olympiacos in the Europa League group of 16, round of 16 basically, and they are familiar opponents to Arsenal Football Club. But before I get into the details, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you're new here. So we have now drawn Olympiacos again. Last season it was in the round of 13 and they kicked us out of the European League, and around these times, which actually today would be crying about being kicked out of the Europa League. Well, not this time, but after the Corona incident. But at the end of the day, they kicked us out, and guess what? We drew them again. I can say this is either bad luck or redemption. And in my point of view, I want revenge. I really want revenge. This cannot go unscathed. And I'm also happy that we drew them, because this now is the time for the players to show that they have the cojones and the guts to go out and get the revenge that they solely desire. So I know Mikel Arteta felt this one when they drop out last season. This one really hit Mikel Arteta. So I think that he would be going for this one extremely hard out, and I as a fan would love to see that. But I am hoping that the players don't get too complacent, because I've seen what went wrong against Benfica, where the 1-1 draw, the 1-1 draw, complacency, not taking our chances, and now we went in the second leg and complacency again and concede two sloppy goals and make the game harder than it should be. So I'm hoping that Mikel Arteta learn from these things. Also, I'm hoping most importantly that the players learn from these things, because at the end of the day, the players are going to be in control of the situation, because even if Mikel Arteta is not in the job, the players are still going to be out there, so they have to learn from this. So as I said, this is revenge in my point of view, and we need to take control of the situation. So Arsenal Football Club, you players, you have to come and work. This is needed. We need a European trophy, and I think this is the season for it. This is the season for it. This is the season for a European trophy, and hopefully you guys believe that the Arsenal can take a trophy this season. This trophy in specific, we went to the final 2 seasons ago. So there's nothing wrong or nothing hard. And going to that final, we play far more difficult opponents. We play Valencia, we play Napoli, and then we went to the finals and played against Chelsea. So this time around, I don't think it should be that hard. But anyways, thank you very much for tuning in and watching. This is Military Guna TV, and if you're this far on the program, you must have hit that like button and also subscribe if you're new. Thank you very much again. Guess what? I am out.